Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Stingray in black on brown interior. So we'll just start over at the back. I'll let you have a look. We've got the color matched targa top out, so it's installed nicely here in the trunk. As you can see, it's all polished, looks great. And if we just pull this up, it gives you access to the trunk. So here's the trunk area here. We've got the net that runs in the front, and then down in the corner here we have a pocket. In there we've got our wheel lock, so that's there. We'll close this up, just locks in place like so. We've got the privacy screening, so there's one piece of it, there's the second piece up on the upper half, and we'll just go ahead, we'll close the trunk. We'll have a look from the back. So it's got nice deep dark tinted windows on it. We've got the LED tail lights. We've got the quad tip NPP performance exhaust. So there is dampers on the outer ports that will open and close to make it louder or quieter based on the mode that it's in. So we'll just move around this side. Here's your rear wheel. So nice chrome wheels on it. We've got brand new Cooper tires on there. There's a little bit of marking here on the wheel. It is there, but not as noticeable. So that's there. We've got gray painted calipers. We've got painted rotors. And we'll just move over to this side here. So here's your door skin. So that nice brownstone interior. So we've got the leather, we've got the Alcantara, we've got the deviated or baseball stitching that runs along. We've got the power locks, power windows, and the Bose stereo. Here's your Stingray kick plate, and it's in really good shape, as you can see. Looks great. On the seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. Love the color combination with the deviated stitching there. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a peek in the door frame, nice and clean. So we've got heated and cooled seat for the passenger control here. We've got temperature display there and temperature control here. We've got the nice Alcantara there that runs up, and then we've got leather across the dash. Have a look at the dash. It's in great shape, as you can see. We'll open the glove box. So in the glove box, we do have the original books. And let's see what else I can find. Let's see if there's anything else important in here. There's just miscellaneous sheets and information there as well. So that's all there. And we'll just hop out on this side. We'll close this side up. And we'll just scan down this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. And here's your chrome badge. And here's your front wheel. So this wheel is in really good shape. I don't see any marks on it to point out. Again, brand new Cooper tires, painted rotors, and gray painted calipers. So here we are under the hood. We've got the V8 6.2 liter engine, which is 455 horsepower, paired to the 6-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, it's nice and tidy under here. Everything looks great. So I'll go ahead, we'll close this up. We'll have a look from the front. Here it is from the front. So we've got the nice HUD projector headlights with LED daytime running lights. We've got the carbon flash insert here in the center of the hood. And I'll just scan around so you can see the condition. Looks good. And in terms of marks, let's just have a look. A little bit of fluff here. See if there's anything to point out. I don't see anything, so it looks really good. And I'll just scan along the lower front end. We've got the nice chrome grille insert there, looks good. All right, so we'll move around to the side. And here's your other front wheel. So this one's in really good shape. I don't see any marks on it. Again, great painted calipers, painted rotors, and Cooper tires that are brand new. And same thing back here. Awesome. So over at the driver's side, again, we've got the leather, we've got the Alcantara, the deviated stitching, power windows, power locks. We've got memory seats for 2 users with an exit button, and we also have that Bose stereo. So here's your kick plate on the driver's side. So it's in really good shape as well. As you can see, there's a couple minor, very minor scuffing. Let's see how, there you go. So that's about it. And then there's your power seat. So power fore, aft, up, down, recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. All right. There it is. So in terms of kilometers, we have 27,000 1,548. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. On this side here, we have our cruise control buttons, favorites or track change. On this side, we've got volume controls. Here, we've got the arrow keys. When we hit the arrow keys here, we've got info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and settings. So those are all controlled there. Up top, we've got Bluetooth and voice command controls. We have a paddle shifter plus and minus there. We also have nice deviated or baseball stitching that runs along here. I love the color combo, it looks great. On this side here, you've got your power mirror control, and then we've got our heads-up display control. So I'll just brighten that a bit, and I'll turn off the headlights so you can see. Let's see. Oh, there it is. So there. I don't know if you can see that there on the screen. There's the speedometer and RPM gauge. So that's there. And then down below we have trunk release and then alarm on and off. And then we have power tilt and telescopic steering here. And on this side, there's your push button start. Behind the screen storage with USB, great place to put your wallet. So we can close that. And if we go home, we've got audio, phone, Pandora, nav, audio, or sorry, settings, weather. And if we click on nav, there's your full factory navigation. Audio, you get AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth streaming. So that's there. And if I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. And we'll move the shifter out of the way. Here's your automatic dual zone climate control, and we have heated and cooled seats. I'll put that back in park. There's your 6-speed automatic shifter, 12-volt socket. We've got the cup holder here, so that's there. And then we've got electronic parking brake and mode selector. So when we twist the mode selector, we get sport, track, weather, eco, touring, or sport. So those are controlled there. And then the center armrest is Alcantara with the nice deviated stitching. And we've got 2 USB ports, a line in, a micro SD slot for the and a 12-volt socket here in the corner. So that's perfect. So we'll just hop out with it running, have a look and a listen. Great sounding machine. And I'll just take you to the front with the lights on so you can see. Sharp looking car. And we'll just scan down this side. Looks great. There it is from the back. Nice growl to it. There you have it, folks. 2014 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT black on brown interior here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.